Aha, Ghanatube. So, Honorable Kennedy Ohini Agyapong MP Edema Asin Central Akansem. I'm a Ghana for you now, Addo, Ghana for Brina. So, if you menus, way every Kennedy Agyapong and I ever never sent for TMA. Near Kennedy Ohini Agyapong Ekanina and is a care. And maybe campaign pa Edama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia campaign now I know and yasan kitwa. Say I was so to me campaign pa na Baumia Edin Kunimisa say NDC and yet the choice for Ghana at this time because NDC bad the end Ghana for you will all jackpot yena you be feel my Ghana because Omo be man mu ayedin 10 times. The one who has the solutions at hands. And a year Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ntianto abano farmer no so why campaign be a fine. E dia mapa omia any afenso MPP any omom kaka ho. Na busiafo no e na kire say asema Kennedy Agyapong e da wa beto dwa biom no asema Ghana for win no e dro mo. Ye na nim say Kennedy Agyapong de opep say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia de edin kunim na obeye president e wo my Ghana mu senior the campaign SCM now he has taken a swipe and now abontin ababeka say oh no the obe winning 2024 election dey and fan ho say ye pekra na GFP ewini ye pekra na Alan Anachada ewini obi obe wini bia ono sisi ano enya na sem onhwe okra ni ohia ne say asumdwe aide asumdwe hebet no my Ghana because yekoto abeyi na ntokwesi a hefa na ono ebusuafo no mba ewa akofa omo amoska ni do metime fi my Ghana na we wo de wuntimi fi because wan kasa no ebi eni hu sempo akra ehye wona de ede wo de dwane fi my Ghana wenti according to Kennedy Agyapong no si de obedi nkunim se ono ni party ele bedi nkunim o omundi nkunim se ye mahama ensi ne bedi nkunim o omunni nkunim ni obebe bi o be president bia no ono de oncha da ehwem ho ne emum de ohia ne say there will be peace in Ghana say asumdwe ebe koso atena o my Ghana mu eno eno be kan ya Ghana for we na we drum say Kennedy Agyapong Mr. Showdown enya seketwa ono no akaza say do say baby edu no asumdwe hu hia pa say I don't care who wins as long as the country has peace. So the obedi nkunimbiano and fan no but they are all share and said there will be peace in Ghana. So Kennedy Agyapong, the member of parliament for the Asin Central, has stated that he is indifferent to which candidate or political party emerges victorious in the upcoming general elections this December. He emphasized that the country's peace is more important than which candidate assumes power, urging Ghanaians not to compromise the existing peace. They say and yes, serving December and a Ghana, you know how kontokwa ama o my Ghana sumdia woman atitia pansam. We don't want that. Because it's just a 24 hours something. Actually, so I 2 days, 3 days as some we do 64 years and 67 years of existence as a nation. Now yama December 7th elections no ari yendia eni na busanfo ebe ha adwe party yenhwe ni ye wa adwen se 0% okwa bi si wo man Ghana mu sesa wa adwen na pepa efi wo esan se entokwa ni si na hehe ne ba ehefa e na woni busanfo edwane a wo kwa kwhye he se na dia yempanyimfo no toilet ye ni omo ye ni na ba be ye kwa na se dabi yenkwoso amasumdwe enye de entine hu se kofi ene wini na ompe na jano no metno o my Ghana so anya hwekran 4 years there na obedi ewie obekọ nipa openo by all means obedi obeba say we shouldn't compromise the existing peace. Kennedy Agyapong made this known while addressing the media following the speaker's indefinite suspension of parliamentary business. I personally don't care who wins as long as we have a peaceful country where you can breathe. Speaking about the standoff in parliament over the majority seat, Kennedy Agyapong warned that the ongoing events could threaten the country's democracy if not resolved. Yeah, I also believe and side with him. It's a no can say it doesn't look scary. Sometimes it looks funny and all that, but if it's not resolved, ebetimi ama yen democracy no enho aba asem papa enti Mr. Kennedy Agyapong na ka se be ya omunhwemu na omun resolve asem ni yi say 11 na court ka say asem no mesa atena sibium enti yenhwe nia eye Supreme Court ebe beba say 11 ni so a na de omeka because I think say there should be clarity so na be ya say parliament ekotena se a NDC for any entertainment kotena majority side. Now MPP for so can say Sadia they will also not be present in the proceedings. Not omoko. Everyone say hard they pan because we are getting closer to an election day, and then we are getting closer to the end of the year. Budget or other stuff or I was say parliament etna no me do motion ti o si osere campaign say omonye no monhwemu no mo resolve all of these issues na sumdwe ideas sumdwe no enye the embra o my God no say democracy no we should uphold it. He expresses aversion to chaotic situation that could lead to violence and voiced his disappointment over the recent parliamentary standoff between the NDC and the MPP caucuses. This is why I don't preach for war. Otherwise, I would have encouraged what's going on. But what will be the fate of the country? Of course, Anakin Agyapong, we know how he can do it. With me, he can. But I'll say it is not necessary. Now or kokenje no e den na bema esi e den na ebesi e wo man Ghana mu enti abusianfo according to Kennedy Agyapong de osrepa say yema e friend say asumbe ayede asumbe enye de entinase na obia enye de emfa ntimapa emfra ni na Ghana for obia entimi nkoni bima so fefe enti no na Mr. Kennedy Agyapong e de atidwa na Dr. Sari enso e de abetudwa say easy to release voter statistics by November 11 into voter statistics no almost say easy ebe di beto abonten na obia so e de ehubi so the Electoral Commission of Ghana has confirmed that the voter statistics requested by several political parties, including the National Democratic Congress, will be ready by Monday, November 11, 2024. In an interview with Joy News Insight, Dr. Bosman Asari, the deputy chairman in charge of corporate services at the EC, explained that the commission is working diligently to compile the voter summaries at both the national and regional levels. He assured that the data would be available for Ghanaians to easily access ahead of the December 2024 elections. The commission took it upon itself to ensure that we will provide all these data, not only at the national level, but also at the regional level. We assured the parties that we would provide this information, though we couldn't consolidate all the details initially. However, what is crucial is that the Commission has fulfilled its legal obligation by providing a certified register to the political parties as required by law, which we did yesterday. And this is from Mr. Bosman, the Deputy Chairman in charge of corporate services at the Electoral Commission. For our comments, hukime our comment section na menkin kan emo Ghanatube suni modofo snowy and so anything sem ebrem e was for sisi ade makram.